Hey, so in this video, we're going to try to answer the question, is this contract hurting me? So there's two steps in this process. First, you're going to want to understand your cost structure. You could learn more on that in our article, Your Two Costs, Variable and Fixed. For this example, we're going to assume a 60% variable cost structure. And then your second step, you want to compare your actual contract reimbursement rate against your variable cost structure. So why this matters, for some of your contracts, you could be losing in excess of 5%. To your bottom line for those contracts. So it's really important to understand where your contracts end up on this matrix. So on your vertical axis, we have your actual reimbursement rate. So remember that we mentioned on the previous slide that for this example, our variable cost structure is going to be at 60%. So that's why we have this red line at 60%. That's our break-even point for this example. Each dot represents a contract, so each contract has an actual reimbursement rate on the vertical axis, and then the size of the contract, that's going to be on the horizontal axis. So this is the largest contract because it's the furthest on the horizontal, and then this is the contract with the highest reimbursement rate, just over 100% of Medicare allowable. So that's how you would read this chart. So in the short run, what you want to make sure is that all your contracts are above your variable cost structure. So in this example, this contract here, is below the variable cost structure. It looks like it's around 50%. So you'd actually be losing 10% to your bottom line for all these patients that are showing up here. So you'd want to make sure that, again, with these contracts, you negotiate them upwards. If you're interested in completing an analysis like this for your group, please reach out. We'd be happy to help.